first time I saw this little thing, I thought it was just a toy. But now I think it's a kung fu master that can flip and fight.
I'm a big fan of DIY gadgets, and now I have the chance to create a robot with my own hands. That's pretty cool.
I'm amazed how it can recognize my touch and pat, just like a little pet on my desktop.
This little gadget has a simple and fun way for me to start programming. I like it.
They said this little guy has 99 built-in games, and I want to try every single one.
Meet KT2, a portable Kung Fu robot with a powerful chip and limitless possibilities. Designed with ease of assembly and maintenance. Hi Kickstarter, this is Lee, founder of Rare Living and Command Robotics. Today, I bring you KT2, and let's begin with this desktop companion mode, shall we?
KT2 is a pet bot that can keep you company anytime. If you ignore it, it might get bored and start acting mischievous. See what this naughty boy is doing? He's trying to help you work. And you don't need a screen to know how KT2 is feeling. Look, now you can tell. It's a ticklish. KT2 is afraid of heights. Let's see what happens when we lift him up. When you knock KT2 over, no matter which way he falls, he'll always get back up. Good boy.
I like it. Now enough work, let's move on to play. KT2 is all about healthy life. If you sit for a really long time, it will remind you to stretch. And you might have learned one thing or two from great coaches like Rocky or Bruce. You can always play KT2 with your friend with a controller or phone. Fighting over them is way funnier than that on video games. And here is a surprise. Guess left or right? Oh lady, you got the wrong side. The robots will line up ready to tug, and they will pull all their might. Now let's welcome my brother. He always enjoys using KT2 to play at a separate dog shuffleboard, but that's a good hit. Good thing at parties. You don't know how many times he practiced with that. Sometimes they get lonely. Introducing Swarm Mode. I bet you can tell that's not magic, but coding. KT2 is a great coding tool, a very fun coding for kids. Just drag and drop on the screen, create a coding challenge game using whatever at your hand. Simple and fun, kids will love it. Now, you might get all hyped and ready to back KT2, but wait. You want to make your KT2 stand out from the crowd? Use Lego bricks to decorate your KT2 and make it unique, make it practical. And also, we provide a magnetic charging cable so that you can, oh, I love this fluffy toy. Maybe next time? Yeah. Support our Kickstarter project today, and let's bring KT2 to everyone's life. Thank you.